So, this happened to me the other day, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you guys how to fix this particular error. What happened was I was working on a budget and I had this one category, core recharges, and we actually had it down here as well. So I decided to keep this one in the other total group and I was going to delete this duplicate redundant row here. So I just deleted it, boom, and you can see what happened is I get all of these ref errors. So if you click into the formula bar on a cell that contains that error, you can see the culprit is right here. And this is basically Excel's way of saying that there used to be a value here. I can no longer find the value. So it's giving you this as basically an indication that you're missing something that it used to rely on to function. And to fix that is pretty easy. All you need to do is delete it. So you can just go right into the formula bar and hit delete, and boom, that takes care of it. No problem. But I have it visible in other areas because it fed into a lot of other formulas throughout my spreadsheet. So, an easier way to fix it, instead of having to go in and delete that reference line in every cell, is just to highlight anything that contains the ref. That's a nice way of just making sure that you're not accidentally borking any other functions that might be in your spreadsheet. So, we're just limiting the area we're fixing to this gray section here. And then just do a control F, and that will bring up the find and replace box. I'm going to go directly to the replace box and I'm going to type in, and you can see it here in my formula. So I'm going to type in hashtag REF. It doesn't matter if it's lowercase or uppercase. And I'm going to do the exclamation point and also the comma. You can leave the commas in, it just makes your formula a little messy. So I prefer to remove it. Then on the replace with, we just want to make sure that there is nothing there. So no spaces. If you see a space, so it would look sort of like this, you could move your cursor back and forth. I'm just going to highlight that and hit delete. So we just want this to be completely blank. One thing you may want to check if you're not doing this often is you want to make sure that you can look in formulas. So if you click on the options pop down button, basically, you can see look in formulas and you want to make sure that is selected. Now, I'm pretty confident that this is going to work. If you weren't so confident, you could do replace and it would do one at a time and you'd have to hit that multiple times. I've already done this before to fix it, so I'm going to do replace all and that will take care of it just like that. So it says all done. We made 8 replacements and you can see all of those reference errors have now been fixed. So that's just a really nice, easy way to take care of that when you have a situation where you've deleted a line and Excel hasn't deleted that reference from its formulas. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If this helped you, I'd like to invite you to come to the Spark side, where I'm rolling out additional Excel videos and content geared specifically to research administrators like you. If you'd like to suggest future topics, please feel free to email me at reese@excel-spark.com or connect with me on LinkedIn. If you would like more information about having in-person or virtual Excel lessons at your institution, check out my website, excel-spark.com. And finally, if you would like to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, Excel-Spark. Hope to see you here again soon.